Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. Today I am going to share a easy vegan Badam Ladoo. So this is a very healthy snacks. So Badam Ladoo is not only good in nutrition but also keeps our body warm during the cold weather. So it is a good snacks and healthy snacks. It is a very good for the children and elder as well. So let's see how to do this vegan Badam Halwa. For that needed very simple ingredients. Let us see. So first take a 2 coconut, break it down nicely, the 2 coconut. Next we are going to grate the coconut like this. So complete grate it down like this. If you have a machine you can do that. Just grate the whole coconut like this, complete. So take a mixer jar and blend the coconut, adding some water for it. So later soaker like this, remove all milk content from the coconut, press it down, squeeze it complete. You can also use the cotton for this. So you can see the nice milk is coming out from the coconut. So here it is all. You can see the nice thick milk. So it's not only good for your health, you can also make it a nice coffee. So tie it down with the cover like this. Let it stay for a 4 hours. So take 1 bowl of badam, soak for 3 or to 4 hours like this. So after nice soak of badam, peel the skin of the badam. So later just add to the mixer jar, make it a nice thick paste of badam. So you can also use some water to make the thick paste. Here it is, you can see the nice thick paste, like this it should be. So after 4 hours, you can see the nice changes in the coconut milk. So the upper part is a milk, lower part is a water. So just cut down the cover lightly and take a bowl and just put out all the water content to the bowler. So when you get close to the upper part, the milk part, just shift it to the other bowl. So here you can see we are coming close to the milk. So take a nice bowl. So we are going to separate the water and the milk. We are not going to use the water. We are going to use only milk. Just block the lid, the closed one, cutted one, just close it out and take the bowl, put out all the milk to it. So next step, on the stove, take a nice vessel. So remember it should be non-stick. It will be very easy for us to cook. Let it get nice warm. For this we are going to add the milk, coconut milk. Let it boil little. Add some water, less than a half cup or half glass. Let it boil nicely. You can see the change. Just mix it well. So sometimes it may get thick. So when you keep on mixing in between, you'll not get unburnt at the down. It is boiling now. You can see the bubbles are coming out. Mix it well once again. So the milk is getting lightly the thicker. So mix it well. So at this time just add the badam paste, the almond paste what we make in. Just add that. Mix it well. It get little more thicker when you add the badam. Keep on mixing. So we are going to add 1 cup of the sugar. Mix it well. So here there will be so much of change when you add the sugar to it. Here you can see it's boiling a bit. The bubbles are coming out. For this, add the kesari, very well known as a saffron. So natural color. So instead of using the food color and all, just use the natural color, which will give you a more taste. Add some cardamom powder. It will give a nice fragrance to your sweet. Very good for your digestion. When you add the cardamom, the double taste will be there. Yes, here it is. You can see the nice change. It's become a little more thicker compared to the before and now. The color has been changed. Keep on mixing. Remember to mix nicely well. At this time, I'm going to add a spoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good for your health, especially for your digestion, for your skin, for your hair. This coconut will help you so much. Instead of using the ghee, we are using the coconut here. Here you can see it will becoming more thicker and thicker. Keep on mixing well, don't rest your hand. So once you get more thicker, add some coconut oil. You can see the changes edge of the sweet. So where the oil is not there. So at that time, just add a spoon of oil and keep on mixing it nicely. One more spoon add. Mix it well. Here I can feel a nice fragrance of the Badam Ladoo. It's very tasty. It's look very tasty and delicious. It's very simple too, but you need to do, that's it. It's becoming more thicker and thicker. Keep on mixing it nicely. Making or preparing something by our home, by ourselves, it has very more joy. We are keeping our health more healthy. A simple, quick recipe when we try. Oh, even our taste bud get a different kind of taste. It's become a nice thick paste. So it should be like this. Here there is, you can't able to see any oil over here. This kind of thick paste should be happening here. So take a small plate, add some coconut oil to it, few drops of coconut oil to it, and just rub the oil to complete plate like this, the side edge for everywhere. Just rub it down nicely. Even if you have the butter sheet, you can also use that. But in this video, I am using the coconut oil for this. So put it down nicely to the plate complete. Just do like this, up and down movement for the plate. So where it spread all over the plate complete, like this. Wait till it get cool down and cut with the nice knife. So if it's cooled down, then it can be easily cut out. If it's not cooled down, it's very hard to cut down. Like this, you can make a nice ball like laddu. Here you can see the nice round. You can make a bigger size, a smaller size as well. It's up to you. Here it is ready, a nice badam ladoo. So very healthy, vegan halwa. It's very delicious, very tasty, simple to make by ourselves. It's not only good for the children, it's also good for everyone. Just try out this simple home healthy recipe. So very easy, quick, a vegan sweet. So hope you like this video and hope you try this simple recipe in your home. If you try it, let me know in the comment section. Do comment down in the comment section how is the sweet, and see you on the next video with some more interesting recipe like this. Till then, take care and namaste.